Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're looking at Disney, ticker symbol DIS. Now, Disney has been on a bit of a downward slope recently. Alright, you can see back here, looks down, high of 187. Wow, we have fallen. How the mighty have fallen. But, subscriptions going up, parks are open, lots of positive things going on for Disney. Now, for the Marvel franchise, maybe not super impressed with the most recent stuff, but they're pushing forward on all fronts. So, let's take a look. Positive indicator, stochastic, MACD, and moving average, all pointing higher. Now, I should have took my own advice, okay, and sold more cash covered puts back here, but I didn't. So I would have been 100% cash by now, 100% profit, but I didn't. So now may be the time. Still looks good, right? This one's trending down. Still a lot of positive things going on out there in the market. I like it a lot. I think Disney has a good way to go, long way to go. Back to here and beyond. Alright, a lot of new stuff planned in the pipeline, a lot of good stuff coming out. So we'll see how they handle the economy. Just like everybody else, might be a little tough in the upcoming quarters. We'll see what happens to this money, right? Looks like their profits going up, so that's good, but their stock's going down, so that's weird, right? Okay, it could be the outlook, could be a lot of things, but I do like this stock a lot. I like the company. I like the franchises it has, especially Star Wars, Marvel, a bunch of stuff. Alright, a lot of cool things happening here. Not a lot of volume though. Look at the volume, it's kind of low. Alright, kind of mediocre. Not like back here when it spiked, when it dropped a lot. But I think we're going to be okay. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. Be sure to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. And be sure to join our private stock group. Hit that join button right here next to the button. Subscribe/join. Join up on the channel. You get my real-time stock alerts. Alright guys, that's all I have for today. Be sure to subscribe and thanks for watching.